Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dryer lint screen outlet housing in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the dryer door and remove the lint screen. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the front screws, securing the outlet grill. Next, unthread the 3 rear screws securing the grill. Remove the grill. Detach the bottom of the old outlet housing to remove. Install the new lint screen outlet housing by aligning the top edge under the lip of the front bulkhead, then push the bottom of the housing down. Realign the grill. Rethread the rear and front screws. Slide the lint screen into place. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.